Now we can see the dienes. What is about the dienes? Dienes are the hydrocarbons which contains the two double bonds in a molecule is called as dienes, and it is also called as alkynes. For example, CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. This molecule is the 1,3 butadiene. The butadiene means this molecule contains CH one double bond, two double bond, means one and two double bonds containing compound is called as dienes. the, the next topic, it is the types of dienes. The types of dienes can be categorized on the basis of position of bonds, double bonds. Double bonds. So on the basis of position of double bonds, categorized in the three categories: cumulated dienes, conjugated dienes, and isolated dienes. So we can see the first type, that is the cumulated dienes. Cumulated dienes means the dienes in which the two double bonds are present on adjacent carbon atom, or the we can say other way, the two double bonds on the same carbon atom. For example, CH2 double bond C double bond CH2. Okay. This is the molecule. This is 1 2 propadiene. It is also called as allenes. Hence, this category cumulated dienes are again called as the allenes. Another example, conjugated dienes. Conjugated dienes means the dienes in which the two double bonds are separated by the one single bond. One single bond. That is, example is the 1,3-butadiene CH2 CH single bond CH CH2 double bond CH2. This is the 1,3-butadiene. Here the two double bonds, this and this, separated by the one single bond. Another example, CH3 CH double bond CH double bond CH2. So this is the example of 1,3 pentadiene. 1,3 pentadiene. Here also is double bond, this double bond, separated by the one single bond. Now next, the another example, isolated diene. Isolated dienes are the dienes in which the two double bonds are separated by two or more single bonds. Okay. For example, CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH double bond CH2. This is the example, one carbon, one double bond, this is the one double bond, this is the another double bond. It is separated by two and more compounds. It is the example of 1,4-hexadiene. The example. These are the types, and these all types are depending on the position of the two double bonds. Cumulative means the two double bonds are present on the same carbon atom. The conjugated dienes means the two double bonds are separated by the one single bond, and isolated dienes means the two double bonds are separated by two or more single bonds. Now we are seeing the preparations of the 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene, there are the many methods, but in our syllabus there are the 5 methods to prepare the 1,3-butadienes. And how is we are preparing? First from the diols, second preparation from the 1,4-dichlorobutane, third preparation from the 1-butane, fourth preparation from the acetylene, and from next preparation is the cyclohexane. We can see the one by one. The first preparation of diol, we can prepare 1,3-butadiene from the 1,4-butanediol. This is the 1,4-butanediol. From this we are preparing the CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. This is the 1,4-butanediol, and it is the 1,3-butadiene. There is a double bond, and this can be prepared, butadiene can be prepared from this when there is a takes place of H2O, and when this reaction there is a loss of water molecule takes place. This reaction is called as dehydration. Means the 1,4-diol is dehydrated by the dehydration, which give the 1,3-butadiene, and on this dehydrating agent we require It is done by the concentrated H2SO4 or alumina Al2O3 at a higher temperature 280 degrees Celsius or and more. Second preparation from 1,4-dichloro 1,4-dichlorobutane 1,4-dichlorobutane Cl. This is the 1,4-dichlorobutane. From this, some we had preparing the CH2 CH single bond CH double bond CH2 1,3-butadiene. How it is prepared? This can be prepared by the when the this hydrogen and this hydrogen from the adjacent carbon atom, so there is a loss of halogenation reaction. HCl remove means hydrogen and halogen remove, and this can be occur by 1,4-dichloro when boiled with the alcoholic KOH. In this alcoholic KOH, there is a elimination reaction takes place, and we getting the 1,3-butadiene. Third reaction, preparation of the 1,3-butadiene from butane CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. From this is prepared by the 1,3-butadiene can be prepared from the butane by oxidation reaction. We can run oxidation by chromium oxide. Butane when subjected to chromic oxide or alumina or silica, it is undergo oxidation and it gives the two products 2-butane plus 1-butene CH2 double bond CH2 CH3. This undergo further oxidation and there is a formation of 1,3-butadiene CH2 double bond CH CH2. So this is the preparation of 1,3-butadiene from the N-butane. This can be prepared by oxidation of the butane with the help of chromic oxide or aluminum oxide. Next preparation from acetylene. Acetylene means CH triple bond CH triple bond CH. Acetylene from the acetylene, when this acetylene is subjected to the or it is passing through the solution of NH4Cl and CuCl, it undergo dimerization. These two molecules are undergo dimerization and give the new product. It is the CH2 double bond CH single bond C triple bond CH. This undergoes reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Two molecules of hydrogen takes place, and we required for the 1,3-butadiene we require to reduce the only one double bond. So for that we use reducing agent palladium in presence of the barium sulfate. It reduces only one double bond and it is converted into CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. So we are from the acetylene we are preparing the butadiene. Next preparation from cyclohexene, 6 number last preparation from the cyclohexene. Cyclohexene means cyclohexane and there is a presence of one single bond. It is also written like this CH2 CH2 CH double bond CH CH2 CH2 CH2. When these vapors of the cyclohexene are passes over the hot nichrome alloy. What is the nichrome alloy? It is the alloy of nickel, chromium and Fe, ferrous. So when this cyclohexene is passing through this nickel alloy, it is break. This molecule is break and it is converted into ethene plus 1,3-butadiene. So these are the preparations of the 1,3-butadiene. So from this we are preparing the 1,3-butadiene for the different. From the 1,3-diol, it is when the dehydration process we can prepare in the 1,3-butadiene. Next preparation from 1,4-dichloro, when it is boiled with the alcoholic KOH, it is the elimination reaction, dehydrohalogenation, it gives the 1,3-butadiene. And a third preparation from the butane, butane undergoes oxidation in presence of chromium oxide, and this is the hydrocarbon stable form. Hence this reaction can be occur at above the 600 degrees Celsius. Oxidation takes place, it gives the two products, 1-butene and 2-butene. It is undergo further oxidation and it gives the 1,3-butadiene. Third preparation from the acetylene, it is converted into dimerization when it is reacted with the NH4Cl ammonium chloride plus CuCl, it gives dimerized product, and this dimerized product undergo reduction by the use of palladium and barium sulfate, it converted into 1,3-butadiene. And the last preparation from the cyclohexene, this cyclohexene, vapors of this cyclohexene when passing through the nichrome alloy, that is the alloy of nickel, chromium and ferrous, it is the break this molecule and it is converted into two products, ethylene and 1,3-butadiene.